adjustable Ogee range assembly. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the unit inches and enter the name. Adjustable Ogee range. Click OK. Now select assemblies. Select add component. Select open. Select the body. Click OK. The constraint, select fixed constraint and select apply. Now open the folder. Select the job. Click OK. Now constraint type touch align. Select infer center axis. Select the center line in job and the center line in the body. Similarly, select distance from the constraint. Select this space and this space. Enter the distance 0 inches. Now select apply. Open the folder. Select the gear. Click OK. Now select constraint type touch align. Select infer center axis. Select the center line in gear and center line in body. Now select distance. Select the bottom face of the gear and this face in the body and enter the distance 0 inches. Select apply. Now open the folder. Select pin. Click OK. From the constraint type touch align, select infer center axis. Select the center line in the pin and center line of body and select distance. Select the space in the pin and select the space in the body and enter the distance 0.03 inches. Click OK. Right click, orient view to trimetry. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes code B, adjustable Ogee range assembly.